Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This time I want to talk to you about some places where you can do your soil test. Most people that go into farming just go into farming without testing the soil. The best practice that you can employ is to test the soil first to know the type of plant that will do well on the soil. When you don't test the soil, you just look at the physical appearance of the soil and you plant, you are just taking a risk, and that is okay. Most people do that. But if you are serious and you really want to get the best from the soil, you test the soil first to know the type of plant or crops that will do well on the soil. Today I want to give you places where you can test your soil. Number one place is in agricultural departments of federal universities in Nigeria. Most federal universities in Nigeria has a faculty of agriculture. So reach out to them. Those in soil science, they can take sample of your soil and they will charge you some amount of money, which I'm sure will not be too much because they are into research, and then from there they can assist you. Anywhere you are in Nigeria and you need assistance in this regard, I can help you to network and get direct contact with the individual that the professional that is going to help you to do your soil test. Number two place is state universities. The same description. In state universities that have agricultural departments or faculty of agriculture, you reach out to them and then they are going to help you out. You can also reach out to private universities and others institutions. Then the next one is IITA at Ibadan. IITA at Ibadan. IITA is an International Institute for Tropical Agriculture. This is one of the mandates of IITA, to help and to develop and to do everything to make farming and productivity in terms of cropping and animal rearing to be easy. So anything agriculture, you can reach out to them at IITA. They have experts that will guide you, that will assist you in this regard. There are many private entities in Nigeria, private companies, private labs that can also help you with soil test to know the kind of plant that you can plant on your farm. For obvious reasons, I will not be listing any of the companies. Those companies that are interested, that want to be shown to the world through this platform of mine, they can contact me and then I'm going to charge them a token to do that. So I'm going to talk to you again some other time. If you have further questions, let me know in the comment section below. So share this video and then like this video and then subscribe if and only if you have not subscribed before. Now on this channel I have videos on different categories of businesses. Please do well to check them out and you are going to be glad you did. I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.